Okay, so good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back into this class. Today, we are on the day number 3 of our CSA admin batch 18. So, yesterday we talked about ServiceNow a bit, and now we are going to be do a little bit more on that particular part. Okay, if I come back on my screen sharing, ServiceNow is called platform of platform. What this mean? Next 2-3 slides will be like this only for pictures specific only. Okay, which talk about a little bit more about the ServiceNow as a capability. ServiceNow capabilities means what you can do in ServiceNow. So if you see ServiceNow is available or open or can be used by the customers. Customer means the end customers like you and me who are available in the market to buy anything. It can be used in IT, internal IT team for laptop requests, for desktop requests, phone request, reimbursement, for the employee onboarding, HR part, and for the operation perspective, infrastructure, infra operations perspective, maintenance of your databases, CMDB, all the things will be there, and finally, it's it for the development as well. This look little easy. This image look little easy, but if I go to the next image, more clumsy and more deep. Let me see if I can more. Yep. This is the overall capabilities of ServiceNow platform. So when we say platform or when we say about the capabilities, let's not call this as a tool. It is a big platform now. In this platform, we have multiple options. And we're going to do little deep dive in this particular area. On the top, if you see, it tell that how you can interact with ServiceNow. ServiceNow has its dedicated portal. Like if you see the e-commerce website, they have their dedicated websites. Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Nykaa, multiple. Okay. Same manner ServiceNow also has a portal. We have this topic to be discussed in depth. Then you can send an email to ServiceNow instance, and ServiceNow can send email to you in that response, which means that via email also you can interact with the platform. This is what another topic what we have in our agenda. Then CTI or IVR. Everybody know that IVR is something. Press 1 for this, press 2 for this, press 3 for this. So with support of ServiceNow, we can set up an IVR and our users can call to service desk and via IVR, the issues can be fixed. And now it is more about AI as well. So a lot of things can be doable here. Then in ServiceNow, we have a virtual agent chatbot. Simple chatbot, what we have. So we can use the chatbot where a user can log in and connect with the bots. Then live chat as well possible. If it is not done by the chatbot, it can transfer the live agent. And you can integrate as well ServiceNow with the other tools like Slack, Teams, WhatsApp, multiple tools we can do. So we have a topic, integration topic as well, where we are going to be do ServiceNow to ServiceNow integration. And that will be the last day topic. Also, ServiceNow provide a mobile app. You can download. There are two type of mobile apps: Now Agent and Now Mobile. One is used by the fulfillers, means who are going to be work on your record, and one is used by the end users who can raise a request. Then these are the products: customer experience product, technology experience product, employee experience, operational excellence, and the hyper automation. In the customer experience as well, we have multiple products. So now this is your career. That Atul, if someone say I want to be learn in service now, what should I do? So these are the products which you can pick up and you can learn. First is customer experience, customer service management, and field service management. What this mean? Let's say Abdul want to buy a iPhone. Okay. What he can do? He can, as an individual, he want to buy an iPhone. He will go to the iPhone showroom, tell the model, pay the amount, and buy it. See, if tomorrow he has some issue in the iPhone, he will call to the customer care. And a case will be logged for Abdul. This is called CSM. But this is one part of CSM. Second part, let's say Priya is working in a company and Priya got an email from the company that, hey, Priya, we are happy to say that you are insured with our service provider ABC company. What this mean? Again, customer service, but here the thing is that if tomorrow Priya need to be add something more in her insurance policy, might be she want to be add more premium, she will give a call to that insurance company customer care and they will ask what company you belong, and she will say I'm working with this ABC company. Okay, fine, good. This is called B2B sales or B2B concepts, business to business. Okay, but what is FSM? It's called field service management. The example which I gave in my training is that, let's say Krishna Teja is staying in a society, a good reputed society, and the lift is not working. Or suddenly it was working earlier, but it is not working now. Now, will you call to a electrician or someone else to fix that lift? Definitely, we will call someone else who can fix this lift. So what you will do, being a society manager, you will call to the lift customer care and they will say, hey, one person will be there in next 10 minutes. Now the thing is that how that person will be coming in the 10 minutes. because in the background a case has been logged and case has been transferred to the team who is working in your area. So mainly the users, or I can say the doers, who are the part of FSM or the field service, they just have a mobile app. They don't have a laptop or the desktop kind of things. Neither they have some dedicated office space because they need to be roam around always. So this is two are important product. CFSM, CSM, FSM. If you want, you can learn. Then finance SecOps, your financial data security, loan, card operations. It means that the stuff related to the finance to the card can be tracked in ServiceNow easily now. Then there's a few products for the telecom and media as well. This is a very famous product nowadays and very hot cake in the market. Healthcare sciences. If you remember that during the COVID period, if you need to go to office, you have to fill a checklist. That something can be defined and the built in service now. So this is the first experience called the customer, which is customer facing. Public or private is one thing. Either this can be used for the public or it can be used for the private. Now the second part is technology experience, where we guys come into the picture. So the first one is ITSM. Now let's say किसका experience ले ah, let's say Sachin. Sachin is working in a company and he's facing some issue in the laptop. Or let's say Sachin joined a new company and his manager say, hey, go and log a request for a new laptop. For a new laptop. Then, because you are not a customer this time, you are an employee, but you are employee, but you are from the IT side. Then you will use the ITSM product. So after CSA, my strong recommendation that everybody should go for the ITSM training at least. On the ServiceNow University, you can go. So it has incident change, problem request, knowledge to maintain that, to run that particular part. Also, as it is ITSM, then what we have to do? We have to do IT operation management to make sure my business is run successfully. To make sure that my business infra is running successfully. What this mean? Let's say when you were a bachelor, I'm sure many of you are still bachelor. If you are a bachelor, you just have a one room. And if you need to be search something, you can easily search in that room because it's a small room and you are be able to search it. But now you are married and you have a kids as well. Okay, you are married and you have a kid as well. And now your house is bigger. From one bedroom, it's a three-bedroom house. Now, if you need to be search something in this house, is little tough. So what generally ladies do, they have some kind of their diary or something where they keep track that baby clothes in this room mainly or in this particular drawer, husband's clothes or the outfits in this particular one, makeup and shaving is in particular drawer. So that whenever you search it, you can search easily. Something similar concept come into the ITOM, IT operation management, and we're talking about the discovery. ITOM is like big, big, very big. Because it is something which is widely used by the industries now. And interesting module, interesting product to be learned actually. So in this, we have a discovery, we have a service mapping, we have a event management. Before anything happen wrong, I should get some kind of a notification, some kind of alert. That settings can be done via this thing. Okay. Then IT asset. Same thing. Till the time you are bachelor, you have nothing to be worried. But now you are married. Your bank account, your laptop, devices, your house, your car, your bike, all are these assets, and you want to maintain it. Either software asset or the hardware asset, you want to maintain it. So that come under the item area, IT application assets management, where you can keep a track of your assets, complete life cycle from coming in to going out. That what is can be in the item. Another interesting topic nowadays in the market, item. So in this, there are mainly two products, two different modules came, HAM and SAM, hardware asset management and software asset management. Just to be let you know that if this batch did not happen, I might pick up something interesting in this domain, HAM or SAM. Then we have a demand management, innovation management, and we have a security management operations as well. This is another part of the ServiceNow technology experience, and these are separate modules, separate products. So we say item is a separate product, not module. It's a product first. Then go for the employee. ServiceNow says, okay, you're using ServiceNow for IT users, that's good. For the customer, that's good. But what about the users who are your IT users, but they are your employee as well, right? They are your employee as well. So to keep a track, to maintain their records in ServiceNow itself means their joining, their promotion, their emergency contact, their salary, multiple things. So now let's say if Krishna Teja joined a company and he need a paternity leave, so he will log a request and then he will get an approval or rejection. But is it IT request? No. So these things will come under the employee experience and HRSD perspective. This module is called the HRSD, Human Resource Service Delivery. Then you want to go to office. but you need to book your desk. After COVID, this thing come in the trend. Companies say, I don't want everybody to be come. So they reduce the seating capacity and they ask users to book their desk or the meeting room before coming to the office. And that is the part of the workspace service delivery called WSD. Clear everybody till this point? Doubt, question, clarification. Let me come back here.
I had one question, Atul Tony here.
Go ahead, Tony,
Just
please.
a very basic, yeah, just a very basic clarification. So,
Mhm.
someone starts from let's say the admin part, and
Mhm.
he wants to progress. Now everything falls in the technology excellence, for example. Okay?
Mhm.
So he's progressing from admin. How does his roadmap look like? Like what he does next, and what is after that?
Okay. See,
He's trying to
even
be an
even
application developer.
even though no, even though it is,
Hmm.
can you go on the mute? I'm getting echo from your side. Okay. Even though everything start from admin only, but after that it depends. So if you go back on this particular slide which I showed you yesterday, in which area you want to be go? You want to become a developer, you want to become an implementer, you want to become a BA or tech TPM or change or something else. After admin, if you want to become a implementer, so all these courses, all these products are for the implementer as well. Atul, I want to become an implementer for the ITSM. Okay, do this thing. I want to become an implementer for HRSG. Do this course. So it is not that if you pick up one product, it will be good. What is the current market is saying that a resource must work at least in 3 or 4 products of service now. So if I say, if you know the baking, it doesn't mean that you will only bake the cake. If you know the baking basics, it means you can bake a cake, you can bake the cookies, you can bake the bread, and multiple things you can bake. This is what is this. Depend on your interest and your need or your customer need or your company need that what product is coming. So like if I say I work in ITSM, yes. I have experience in CSM, yes. I have experience in HRG, yes. I have experience in GRC, yes. In the risk, yes. Because I'm a BPC. So I implement ServiceNow for my customer for the multiple products. So I need to be learn that particular part. So it is not necessary that you need to be go only one. Like I can say nowadays, item is one of the hot cake. Telecom is one of the another hot cake in the market where companies are looking for these kind of resources. So after admin, you can pick up any of the thing. Either you can pick up item, either you can become the technology or telco part. Up to you what you want to be learned first. So these are the different products. Same thing. If I ask, if you have an iPhone, which feature you use most? Atul, camera. Because might be you are a photographer. So you try multiple options in the iPhone camera by this way, that way, portrait, light, and natural, and everything will be there. So you explore everything. In the same manner, if you want to be move into ServiceNow ecosystem, then after admin, you need to be decide that what, first of all, what journey or what path I should pick up in this. So this is application developer is mainly if for the developers. If you want to go in the development area, you can pick this up. But implement is for everybody, I can say. ठीक है, Tony, clear कुछ?
Yes, Atul.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Good. No problem. So now next is called operational excellence. And this under this is called operational excellence means how you make sure your operation is fine, running correctly. First is IRM, integrated risk management. Your governance, your risk, your policies, your compliance come in this picture. So for that you have a risk team. They will create the risk, they will create the policies, they will create the compliance stuff, and then they will implement the service. Okay. After that IRM, there is a concept called the business continuity management, BCM, sorry. In case there's a flood or there is a fire or any natural calamity happen in your office location, how you will work to keep that things in service now, to keep ready that plan in service now, we have a BCM as a concept. So I work in the BCM as well. Your company want to purchase laptops, desktops, water coolers, printers, cartridges, paper. So they have a vendors. And to track that, procurement operations is one of the module or the product given by ServiceNow. Your CXO want to understand the overall picture of the business. Then we have a separate CXO dashboards available. And the last section that is called the hyper automation and the low code, which is mainly for the developers. I want to create a new application in ServiceNow. It provide AES, Application Engine Studio. I want to be secure my instance. Vault is something new. I want to be automate my repetitive task. You can use the integration, sorry, you can use the RPA, you can use the AI, Now Assist as well. So this area is mainly for the developers. And then at the bottom, platform तो एक है, but to run that platform, there is the multiple stuff given by service out of the box. Now, simple example, in the iPhone, there are multiple applications. But at the last, the base for that application is only one OS. The base of our application is your one Apple ID. So ServiceNow say to run this show, anything in this one, I have few unsung hero in the background. So under this, we have a service catalog, and this is called Now Platform. Means what are the core built by ServiceNow to run this particular objects, to run this particular processes. Anyone any doubt? Who is on unmute? I'm getting little background. Okay, thanks. ठीक है. So it has divided into 5 sections. Core services. Either you buy customer, either you buy the technology experience, employee experience, anything you buy, you need knowledge management at every place. Either you buy a iPhone latest model or iPhone dumb model, which is not in the market now. Still, you will get the calling function in every phone. That is a core one. Okay. So service catalog, knowledge management, SLA are the part of that particular stuff. We will do work on service catalog. We will do work on the SLA, CMDB as well, flow designer as well. Then to make the system more intelligent, we need analytics, we need AI, and that is covered in the now intelligence section. So again, that isn't, if you see that this is a line and then underline it has been there, because these are not divided in these areas from here till here. To implement any of this product, any of this module, these basics are must. And then admin and configuration. How a system admin can see, can manage the system. Reporting dashboards has come under this area. Licensing, subscription is come under this area. Because when you say that I am using ServiceNow, it means you are paying for licensing cost. It is not a free of cost app. It's not a free of cost software which you can download and you can use it. No. For the client side, if I say client purchase the licenses to work on the in the service now. Okay, clear everybody? And then integration. I want to connect WhatsApp and the service now. I want to connect WhatsApp and Slack and the service now. I want to connect Teams and the service now. I want to connect my human resource HR product with the Workday, with the success factor. How this can be done? This can be done via integration. You can use ServiceNow given Spox. You can build your own APIs as well. And finally, to secure the platform, to secure any of this product, any of this module, we have a security and compliance. We have a ACS, access control, that up to this level it is allowed, but after that it is not allowed. So we have a dedicated topic for ACL as well. Clear everybody till this point? Yes, please. Go ahead, Sachin.
I have a couple of doubts.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So the admin part will be admin knowledge will act as a basic for all these things, right? Like if I want to work on CSM or
Yes.
field service management or any.
Admin is the first. So admin is like your nursery or your reception,
Okay.
which is must for everybody to go to the next class.
Okay.
Might be you say, Atul, I'm a 25-year-old. Why should I go for the nursery? But if you go, you will learn a lot. You'll get the platform clarity, platform concept clarity as well.
As to how the platform works and will.
Yes, works plus how the platform has been built up. What are the components, the basic components, which is available in ServiceNow, so that tomorrow if you're going to work in HRSG or in the telco or in the ECS or in the legal or in the finance application, you know that what is form called, what is list called, what is this field called, what is this button called. ठीक है जी? Yes, please
Yeah.
go ahead, Sachin.
And second question is, let's say I'm a ServiceNow developer. Uh, what exactly will I be doing? Will I be using the platform to my need to manage the customer service management application, or I will be building the customer service management application for the company or for the client?
Both can be possible. If
As a developer.
as a developer, yes, both can be possible. Might be, let's say, okay, let me take example. Let's say you and your family got a birthday invitation. Okay, you go to market to purchase a gift or the present for the other kid who invited you for the birthday. But sometime you like it and you say, no, no, my kid also have this thing. You buy one more. Now tell me what you're doing. You're doing the same what you have a question. Being a developer, you are making the product for your own company as well. Plus you are making a product for the other company as well. So it doesn't matter now being a developer. So developer means who is going to be do the development work in ServiceNow. There are companies who build the applications for internal purpose as well by using ServiceNow. So you can do anything. Doesn't it's not like any differentiation or anything like you should not work for the internal company. No, anything. So developer means who is going to manage it, who is going to develop the things for me with the ServiceNow. ठीक है जी?
Okay, so for my understanding, I will be using the platform to build an application, either it be for internal use or for external client use.
Yes. So if you are a doctor and you fall sick, it is not necessary that you need to be go to the doctor to get our medicines,
Yes.
right? So you are a doctor, you know that what medicine is good for you, you can take it. And you can treat the other patients there because you're a doctor. So same thing applicable. We never differentiate that I am a developer, so what should I do? No, I can do like this work. Clear such in doubt?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yes, Pratap, please go ahead.
So yeah, so my question regarding the technology excellence, like there is ITSM, ITOM, or HAM and
Mhm.
SAM and HRSD. So at the customer point of view, let's say if I want to buy the services, from ServiceNow, license we can say, is it the package or is it the individual things that we are going to add in the ServiceNow platform?
Okay.
Let's say if I have required for ITSM only, okay, ITSM only, HRSD maybe. So is it complete package that had ITOM, HAM and SAM and all things?
नहीं देखो यहाँ पे ना the things get little change here now.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you go to a market, okay, and you want to buy something,
Mm-hmm.
what you will do that you might be this okay. Mm, this is a function at your place.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक? You go to a place or you go to a shop to buy the this thing, cutlery, like
Mm-hmm.
disposal plates and all the things will be there.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक? Now, there's a multiple options. You can go and tell to the shopkeeper, hey, give me plates, glasses, spoons, and the bowls. Sir, why not you buy the complete box of all these things instead of buying individually? No, bhaiya, I just need few, so just give me a number of like 5 plates, 5 bowls, five this, 5 this. So are you buying a package now or are you buying the individual items now?
Okay. Yes.
Same thing
We can buy.
applicable in the business as well. So
Mhm.
when we procure the ServiceNow instance from ServiceNow for our customer, there is an agreement happen. Okay, what you
Mhm.
want to do. So it is not like you go to ServiceNow and you just pay the money and say, give me a procurement. There is a proper sales team in the picture, your
Mhm.
advisor team in the picture who talk to customer. Okay, what is your business use case? I want to be improve my incident resolution. Okay, ITSM is
Mhm.
one. I want to be improve my employees experience as well. My offboarding is very bad. Okay, you need HRSG as well. But
Mhm.
do you want in the HRSG everything? Like, do you want the learning journey as well, employee journey as well? No, no, I don't want. I just want simple onboarding and offboarding as of now. So out of the 6 modules, you just need one product, one module. You can buy it for the same, because when you procure the ServiceNow instance, only this part come as a out of the box ITSM, and will very limited things come in the
Okay.
ITSM. Rest, if you
Mhm.
want to buy, you need to be purchased from the ServiceNow, and you can install the specific plugins for the same.
Okay. So
Now
are those
your
plugin
business,
paid means
yeah,
those plugin are paid, right?
okay. It depend.
Hmm.
Few plugins are free of cost. Few plugins come with the subscription, like HRSD. Definitely, it's a paid
Mhm.
one.
Mhm.
WSG, it's a paid one. So a lot of these plugins are paid actually. But if you have a next question that how much for this paid plugin the cost, nobody can tell you.
Mhm.
I I did a lot of research, because it is like when you purchase ServiceNow instance, procure service and instance, there's a agreement happen. So you as a service provider, your customer as a service user, and ServiceNow has a agreement together that what will be the license cost for each of these things. So plugin is free of cost, but to use that plugin, the license is required. So
Mhm.
if I say now I'm using a Teams, earlier I'm using a Teams, which is on my personal ID. It was free of cost. Yes, I can use the free of cost. But if I want to record, I need a license. So I have to pay for the license. So same thing happen here. So if you want to use any of this product, even though ITSM as well, you need an ITL license. That is what you have to pay it. So ले लो जितना मर्जी, कोई problem नहीं. But for everything you want to be used, you have to pay for the license cost.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Good. So this is the overall picture of the ServiceNow capability. And I can say this is still little old picture now. A new picture has been come again. And if you want to be see high level part, you can see like this. And see, you can integrate ServiceNow with multiple tools. CRM tools, supply chain tools, procurement tool like Ariba, SAP kind of things, ERP, SCM, IoT, infrastructure, DevOps. You can, as you want, you can do all the integration. Also, ServiceNow provide the solution for the industry specific as well. What this mean? I'm not saying that you can run the business by using this, but you can track the records for these industries in the ServiceNow, like financial. Now let's say you are a bank and you issue the credit card. Atul, can I keep a record of this issue? How much the limit? What is the condition? Can I use a ServiceNow? Yes, you can use ServiceNow for the same. Your core business is one part. To maintain, to run that core business, you can use a ServiceNow. So like payment operation, complaint management, treasury management. If you come into manufacturing, orders, visitor management, someone is coming to your plant, your manufacturing unit, healthcare. So these are the industry specific products. If you are in an insurance company and you want to use ServiceNow, you can use this thing as well. Don't worry. You can use this thing as well if you want. Or if you want to know, Atul, I am from the insurance and I need something specific for the insurance, because issuing a policy, returning a policy, setting the claim, it is not the incident change. It has their own set of flows, own set of states. So for that, I need a specific insurance product of services now. Telco my side. Yep. But again, to run any of these product, here are the core, which is important. Clear, everybody? Doubt? Anybody has any doubt, question?
Yeah, I have one question here.
Go ahead, please, Jugender.
Okay, we want to become a business analyst, right? The BPC. To understand this entire, what I show the slide, or to start our journey, way to start up my point.
So as I say, for anybody who want to be work in the service now, need to start with the admin only.
Yeah,
For the BPC, I can say you must know every product of service now. Now Tony has a question. Atul, come on. Be in reality that it is not possible to be learn every product for anybody in ServiceNow ecosystem. So as a BPC, if not, but you must have a functional knowledge of few of the products. Like ITSM is one of the basic you should know. Then it depends on the market that what is products in demand, and you should learn that products. It is so being a BPC, your functional knowledge should be high. If you ask me, Atul, do you know about the CSM? Yes, I know. FSM, I know. Even though I did not work in FSM, but I know that how it's work. Because my customer might demand and I have to do the work. So I learned by myself and then I said, okay, yep, this can be doable by this way. So product level understanding is important for a BPC. Also, the basics you should know. This thing, CMDB knowledge, service request, service catalog, flow designer, LDAP, integration. These are the basics that you should know as a BPC. Because you need to be running the workshops. So for anybody, I'm again repeating, for anybody in the system, in ServiceNow ecosystem, admin is the first part. For the BPC, you can skip that development part. That's not required. But for the BPC, I'll say these things are important. The core. Plus at least 4 to 5 more products you should know, so that you can do the consulting to the customer on these products. Okay, Jogender?
Yeah, I understand. One follow-up question here. So for starting up the BA also, we need to understand these core services and admin part, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes. Yep.
So no need of go to all the modules like ITOM and HRDS as of now.
See, no need means it's a wrong. As I said that either you are a BA or BPC, this is the common which you know. But this is what you need to be support to the customer. So if customer says, hey, I want to be implement HRSD, you cannot say, hey, I have no experience, I will not work. You need to be learn and you have to be support to the customer,
Okay, got it.
right?
So,
So
yeah, we
ITSM is the basic one where you need to be start.
So we need to understand the high level of the other modules, what exactly the
Yes,
functional flow is going on. Okay.
correct,
That is
correct,
through
correct.
now learning only we need to learn, right? Those things.
You can use now learning. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good. Any other doubt question? Anybody else?
Sir, actually, I have one doubt.
Wait. Uh, it's Naga. I request to everybody, if you have any doubt question, please raise your hand so that I know that who is be in the queue. Go ahead, Naga, please. And then Ramna, you can go ahead. Go ahead, Naga.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, ITSM and HRST, another modules is there, no, sir. CMD. All modules
Mhm.
are similar, each one is different.
No, so if you make a biryani and if you make
Yes.
a dosa, both are different, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, right.
Yes,
Both are
sir.
different.
Different.
So in the same manner, these products are two different products. Might be the base can be same. So either
Base
you
can be
make,
same, no, sir.
yep. So if I say like you want to work on the HRSD or you want to work on the ITSM, the workflow business rules you must know because those are going to be same. The concepts are going to be same.
Yes.
ठीक. Go ahead, Ramna, please.
Sir, what are most hiring? Which module will be
Tough
current
to be
now?
say. Tough to be say. As I say that multiple products are in the market in the hot cake like ITOM, GRC, telecom is few biggest which is in demand as of now. ITAM.
Okay, sir. Every module you have to know, sir.
It is not possible.
Okay, sir. Suppose in ITSM we have incident to problem change and knowledge management is there, no, sir. Submodules in ITSM.
Yes, you should know. Yes, you should know.
Yes, sir. I know that, sir, but I don't know remaining tools. That's why.
So that's what I'm showing that these are the capabilities of service now, and you
Okay.
can pick up now what need to be learned next.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Yes, Amna, please go ahead.
Atul, if once done administration, we can directly go to the support specialist, like something directly
Yes, you can go. You can go.
support specialist and BPA, like TPM, anything.
Yes, you can go. See, one more thing which is important to be tell you to be guide you. It's also depend on your previous experience as well. Let's say if you are coming with the project management experience, then I can say TPM is the best one for you. But if you're coming from the coding experience, then I will say go for the development role. Don't pick up any other role as of now. So that is why I say that it is not me have to be decide, me have to be tell. It is you need to be decide. Go to ServiceNow University, which I showed yesterday. Read about this journey, that what every journey is giving you as an output or as an outcome. Then take a decision that okay, I want to become a TPM, so this is the best journey for me, or I want to be go for in the BPC role. This is the best journey for me. So it is not like what Atul is saying is 100% work for you. It is you and your interest need to be see that what is best for me and I need to be do this particular part. Guidance is required. I can guide you that okay, as per your experience, this is good. This is what you can start with this basics and all go do these particular things on this particular part. But you have to be do deep dive. You need to be understand. You need to be go and read the platform. Have to be read the instructions, read the introduction, read the content that what it is teaching us. Do you want to be learn the same thing or you want to be learn something different? Okay, clear?
clear.
Good. Any other doubt question? So we have done this as well. Mm, Okay. So now what is the next part? I know a lot of theoretical stuff has been done. From tomorrow, we are going to be do a deep dive in ServiceNow instance itself. How to procure a instance, personal instance, and then we will start. Tomorrow will be your team activity. So I'll show that how to be logged into ServiceNow instance. Okay. And how to create the users. So I follow a specific practice for that particular exercise. So we'll do this particular part, and from tomorrow onwards, mainly it will be a ServiceNow instance, not the slides. Few things I want to be discussed, I'll discuss later on, but I want to be give you homework for the weekend. So I want to be take you on the ServiceNow platform. ठीक है? Everybody okay? Clear?
Okay. Clear. Atul, just
Go Tony.
one last thing before we wrap up. For the PDI, because I was going through ServiceNow University videos, I saw somewhere that we can create the PDI. So I followed the instructions and I did that. But when I try to access it, it keeps giving me an error message asking to contact the admin. Okay. So I'm stuck in there. I don't know.
Can you share your screen?
Can you share your screen? Yeah, 1 second. Okay, I'm sharing now. It's visible, right?
Yes, visible now.
It's visible now. Okay.
No, wait, it will not work. Do one thing.
It will not do one thing.
Keep sharing. Keep sharing.
Keep sharing. Keep sharing.
Are you on the speaker or something? Because I'm
Are you on
getting
the
echo.
speaker or something? Because I'm getting echo. Yeah, I'm on speaker. The laptop is quite old. It doesn't function properly.
Okay. Go to
Go to
developer.servicenow.com.
developer.servicenow.com. Developer.servicenow.
Yep. Or let me give you a step.
Or let me give you a step. Okay, I'm here.
Login.
Login.
Click on your profile.
Your profile. Okay, I'm logged in.
Yep. Click on your profile.
Click
On
on
the
your
right side,
profile. On the right
TG
side,
is mentioned, right?
TG is mentioned, right?
Go to change user role
Go to change user role
and change to admin
into admin
and save.
and save. I tried doing this yesterday. It was posted by someone on Reddit, I think, but that also did not resolve somehow.
No problem.
No problem. It's
Close
completed.
this and
Close
go
this
back to
and
wait.
go back
Come
to
to
wait.
wait.
Come to
Manage instance password.
instance password.
Now this is your username and this is your
This is your
password.
username and this is
Now
your
login.
password. Now login. Yeah, I logged in here with that same username password.
No, log out and now login.
Log out and now login.
Earlier you log in with
Earlier
the
you log in with the
AES creators. Now you need to be logging with the admin.
Now you log in with the admin. Okay.
Even actually, he can directly access from there. There is a button to manage.
Yep.
Button.
So you can go back from there as well. Go to developer site. Cross this, close this part, and scroll up. Sorry, come out. Click on the start building.
Start building.
At the bottom left side, last option.
Okay.
Yep. So it will open your PDI directly.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Now it is working.
Okay. Thanks. So tomorrow we will see that how you can get a PDI, and then okay, thanks. So tomorrow we'll see that how to get a PDI, and then we'll see how to create the users as well. And then we go for the navigation part, because I want to give you good homework for the weekend. So it is important. Okay, let me stop the recording and we'll take attendance now.